What's going on, guys? Just got the shop cleaned out from the Barney build, and I'm gonna wash the floors later on this evening. But today we're working on Ethan's Honda. What's up, Ethan?
How's it going, everybody?
And a little bit more upgrades. I noticed about a week ago that the CV shaft on the driver's side was starting to make some noise. So he went ahead and ordered the CV shafts. The one came in a few days ago, the other one came in the other day. So now we're upgrading the shafts, all this. So far, the car's been really dependable for him. He's been really getting really great fuel mileage out of it. And now it's time to do maintenance. And he's going to do that today. He's also doing the rear motor mount that was bad on it. So that's going to get done today. We did notice there's an oil leak going on with the oil pan. So later on down the road, we're going to do that. But other than that, I mean, it is not really using any oil at all. I think he's had to put a half a quart in it since he's gotten the car. So he's doing really well. But anyway, he's getting things set up for that. We went ahead and got the rims on it. Got a good deal on those. And it really changed the look of the car. And but other than that, Ethan, so what's the game plan for today? CV shaft,
motor mounts, clean the wheels, see how she drives.
And there you go. So y'all stay tuned. Right now I'm gonna go and cut the grass where the rain comes in, and I'll check back in with him and see what he's doing. And maybe I'll hopefully give you some helpful hints how to remove these things. Other than that, guys, we'll see you in a few.
Damn, what the fuck? That's like that tall.
Well, here's the new CV shafts. Passenger side, driver's side, rear engine mount. Yes, this is the last part from our AutoZone. We wanted something close by in case something happened. They're under warranty. But that's the parts. That's the bag there. Is the door seals for the Honda. He's going to wait on those until he gets the body work done. Now he's over here getting ready to take this one out. Now there's a lot of people say that you can sit and grind down the wishbone a little bit to pull the shaft the rest of the way out. But today he's going to sit there and unbolt the wishbone and do it that way. So anyway, we're up underneath the car. There's the driver's side CV shaft. And then back up in here by the transaxle area. You can do two different things, actually three different things. Some people get lucky and just pull the shaft out and pop it that way. You can use your pry bars because there's a little ring in there that snaps through that's got to pop out. Or you can sit there and use an air chisel on the back of it to pop it out. So there's three different ways you can do it there. Alright, so Ethan just got the CV shaft out without having to take a whole lot of stuff apart. Broke the wishbone loose, gave it just enough room to come through. And now he's over here inspecting the joint. So he's wanting to cut the boot off. It was already split. So it's about out of grease. And if you can hear it or not, you can hear all the popping going in and out. This joint was about ready to give loose. Yes, you can find somebody at a driveline place that does CV shafts. Go in and rebuild them. It's been years since I've done that, because these days now it's just as cheap to buy a new one with a warranty. You know, and you're only spending like $25, $30 more usually than going and have the shafts rebuilt. And but there's still guys out there that do it. Me personally, around here, I don't know where any is at. I used to live in Florida. I used to use Mike's Driveline in Tampa, but that was a long time ago. Things have changed. But anyway, we got it out. Getting ready to put the new one in, and then we'll get started on the passenger side. Also, too, the reason why we bought the CV shafts here locally. I mean, we could have went on Rock Auto or Parts One and ordered stuff like that, but man, their return process, to be honest with you, is not very user friendly. You know, so at least here, you know, like I said, it's an AutoZone part, and it all depends what you get from AutoZone. You can get the cheap, mid-grade, or the more expensive. What you buy is what you get. So we usually get the Duralast Gold, and they also have a limited lifetime warranty. So if anything happens, you know, and the shaft goes bad for some reason due to manufacturer defect, you know, they're here locally. I mean, here where I live at, AutoZone, I can basically walk to them from where I live at. And it just makes it easier in the return process if there is something wrong versus trying to use like Rock Auto or Parts One or whatever else. And then you got to wait another 2 weeks. You know, this way here, if a part does go bad, we can change it out, get it back in the car instead of having to wait. All right, Ethan, what are you doing now?
We got the old one out. She was clicking and popping, and honestly probably about to let go. So got the lifetime warranty Duralast. This, you know, it's not go fast or anything like that, but at the end of the day, it's a '89 Honda Civic. So
well, yeah, and I was explaining to people earlier,
lifetime warranty.
It's a lifetime warranty. Yeah, we could have got it through like Rock Auto or something, but their return process sometimes could be a pain in the ass.
Yes.
And this gives us peace of mind if anything does happen. Our nearest AutoZone is like basically almost in walking distance.
Never have to worry about it. Free 99 after this.
So guys, I'm going to crawl underneath here and help him. I'm going to try to do this and hold the phone at the same time. If not, we will cut and edit this part.
We got to get it back in the wishbone. And I don't know if that's going to be easier before or after. I think before.
All right, he's trying to get things set up, get it back through the wishbone. There we go. And now I'm going to help him guide it in.
Hold up.
All right, guys, a little bit of elbow grease and a hammer. We got her snapped in place. Now Ethan's going to go ahead and hook everything back up, the wishbone, rotors, calipers. All right, guys, Ethan got the driver's side all buttoned up now. New shafts in place. Torque down the nut on the shaft. Every time you do that, you've got like a little groove here on the shaft. So you take the nut and you put a dimple in it. So that way there, you know, just in case, I mean, it's not going to come off, but, you know, everybody does it. And so now he's going to get started on the passenger side. Basically, same thing as the driver, except a little bit shorter shaft. And get that one in and we'll be done with it.
I don't have the same hole I did.
All right, Ethan's getting ready to get the nut off the CV shaft.
Try to.
And the good thing is, or what you want to do, so you don't damage your threads on your stud, is to put the lug nuts back on, and you can use like a pry bar, like he's doing here, to hold it in place while he takes the nut off, because if you don't, it's going to spin on you. And just like that. Did you get it pop loose? Mm-hmm. Give it some more pressure. All right, we got the second one out. Not quite as bad a shape, but you can still hear the popping going on. So this one was getting close. But usually when it comes to CV shafts and stuff, man, at least here, we do it in pairs. Because if one went out, eventually the other one's going to go out too. All right, so now Ethan's getting ready to put the passenger side CV shaft in. I'm going to crawl underneath here and help him. All right, we got the CV popped in the back. Now he's just lining it up. Getting it inserted back through the hub. There we go. And now it's just putting everything back together, like the driver's side. So anyway, guys, I know usually you're watching me work, but today it's Ethan's car, so he's doing all the work. I'm just trying to do all the filming. So basically, CV shafts are installed. Peace of mind, when you got one go bad, go ahead and replace both of them. And other than that, he's gonna keep trucking on it. And I'm gonna get back to watching today. I'm resting today. But anyway, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you down the road.